First of all, ndi functions as a verb. In Chichewa, we have ndi functioning as a verb. We all know that the verb is a word that shows the action that is being done in a sentence, the state of being, or the change of state of being. So, for example, iye ndi nzanga, iye ndi nzanga, which can literally be translated as he is my friend. He is my friend. So you can see is, the word is in the English version of the sentence is ne, which is functioning as a verb. Mudzi watu ndi wandendere. Mudzi watu ndi wandendere, which can literally be translated as so mudzi is village, watu is our. So our village, mudzi watu. So the way, the order of the words is like the noun and then the adjective. Village, our village, mudzi watu. Is peaceful. So peaceful, wandendere is, you see there is ne. So our village is peaceful. Again, ne in this sentence is functioning as a verb.